fair, as you know very well, showing here at UMEX exhibition in Abu Dhabi, particularly our achievements in the area of unmanned platforms, speaking about two basic unmanned platforms, and also the other. First of all, it is our newest unmanned helicopter. It is unmanned rotor wing platform, which has practically the very good performances in different roles, particularly for reconnaissance and strike role.
What you see behind me is a mock-up of our development program, and this is a helicopter that can fly roughly about 4 hours, and main use of it is the support of ground troops and reconnaissance. Material we used inside are mainly carbon fiber composite materials, chromolybdenium steel and aluminium. Actually, on the market there is only one, serious helicopter, which is American Fire Scout. Of course, this helicopter is a bit lighter than Fire Scout, but we think it is quite much effective because it will have pretty much advanced weapons on it and pretty much good communication and jamming protected communication system. Its maximum endurance is about 4 hours. When it carries weapon, it drops to 3 hours. Then flight range depends on communication system, what you put inside, and which means if you have a network communication system, it can fly maybe 300, 400 kilometers. Maximum speed is 180 kilometers per hour, and cruising speed is 110 kilometers. Actually, we can customize our helicopter, depends on the customer needs. Basic equipment inside is optical gimbal, which works during the day, during night. Also, there is a laser inside. Also, we plan to put aperture radar inside, so we can track what's going on terrain. We use air-to-surface rockets and bombs as well. Yes.
Also showing here our unmanned ground platform. It is tracked vehicle with total weight with remote control weapon system about 650 kilos. It is the vehicle powered by batteries with 2 hours endurance. According to rough terrain, for some normal terrain, the endurance is bigger. It is very mobile, can actually pass the stairs and very rigid terrain. Also the various types of obstacles. Has a very modern remote control weapon system armed with 7.62 weapon, also with 40mm grenade launcher, with good combat set, and also with fire control system based on thermal camera, laser rangefinder, ballistic computer. It is extremely accurate and up to ranges of 500 to 800 meters, and even the full burst fire. You can see the shooting with full burst fire practically penetrate, hitting the small targets up to range of 500 meters. It is very effective weapon for anti-terrorist, urban combat, special operation forces support, or something like that. It is now entering in Armed Forces of Serbia. Also, we can see here our small unmanned vehicle. We are calling the Sparrow. It has been shown in partner exhibition many years back. It is now entering also its area production for Serbian forces. It has endurance about 1 hour with battery pack, with also 10 kilometers range, and also with 2 types of sensors, TV camera and also thermal sensor or something like that. This is very also effective system for particularly for support of special forces, etc.